Okay, here's the 2007 Toyota Rav4, and I just pulled the lower cowl off, and I'm looking for the crank sensor. Okay, this is the V6 engine, and I'm trying, there's the two wires for the crank sensor, and that, let me try to turn my light down. Oh, it's already down. Okay, that is the crank sensor. Right behind, that's the back of the air conditioning compressor. Okay, there's the air conditioning compressor, and the crank sensor, I'm just going straight back. The crank sensor is directly behind it. You can, there we go. That's a little bit better. Let me try. I'm sorry for the, try to move that. Come on. Okay. There's the crank sensor back in there. I can't zoom in, I only got two hands. But anyways, I'm just trying to show the location. I'm going to go after it right now and test it. Thank you.